Hi, Wendy Dennis here for the Wakefield Farmers Market doing a cooking demo. This week I'm going to highlight microgreens from Neighbor's Acre Farm, mushrooms, oyster mushrooms from Fat Moon Mushrooms, which are sold by Neighbor's Acre Farm at our farmers market, carrots that you can get from Farmer Dave or Kelly's Farm, and we're also going to serve, shrimp. The shrimp I'm using is not from Roberto's, but you need to get your shrimp from Roberto's this Saturday. And I'm also going to put this creation over fusilli from Dino's Pasta, and I'm also using a really cool cream sauce that I'll pull out later from Dino's Pasta. But to start, what do you do with these? Here we are, oyster mushrooms. They're so delicious. Let me move things a little bit. So they say to just peel off the little florets. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. They say to peel them off, and then if there's any tough stem left when you peel off, cut that off. But I think I'm peeling off enough, I hope. We'll see. This will take a while, so I'm not going to make you watch me do this. Oopsie. That. And all of this I'm going to save, and I will probably cut off this part with the dirt, but I will save it and use in stock because it'll have a nice flavor. But I'm going to go ahead and do these, but not make you watch me, and I'll be back for the next part of the recipe. I'm going to try to make this snappy. So, here's what's left. I have to look and see if you can see. That's pretty good. I'm not a professional. And here's the oyster mushrooms. And I'm going to coat them with a little olive oil and salt and pepper. I saw a recipe suggest rosemary, but I think I'm going to go kind of plain on this. I'm just going to put, some say to put it on the sheet pan and then spread it on there, but nah, I'm going to toss it. I'm going to put like 2 spoonfuls, see how that looks. Ooh, that absorbs a lot. Yeah, so this would probably be equal to a tablespoon or so. And I'm also going to add some carrots that take the same amount of time to roast. Add color. Let's put those in. That means we need more olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to go, I think 2 tablespoons of olive oil at most. And pepper. To taste. Probably about a 1/4 teaspoon would be fine. And salt. There we go. It's probably about a little over a 1/4 teaspoon. And some people say to put parchment paper or whatever, but you know what? Why waste it? I can wash the pan. So I have the oven preheated to 415. I've seen different temperatures. I'm going to start with 415 for the veggies. I might lower it when I put the shrimp in, but let's see what happens. Throwing this in. And I'll be back. Well, in the meantime, I've had second thoughts about adding a little extra flavor. Probably should have stuck with rosemary since I'm going to be sticking this into the 415-degree oven with the shrimp. But anyway, I just tore up some basil. I have some that I'm growing, or if you had a bunch of it in your fridge. Some basil, a bunch of salt and pepper. Well, not a bunch, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon each, salt and pepper. And letting it sit. And once it's time to put the shrimp in, I'm going to add the shrimp, stir it all up, and then throw it on the sheet pan along with the mushrooms and carrots. And we'll see what happens. That's how I do cooking demos. And that's how you should cook. Okay, here we go. We have, those mushrooms are looking, I think the temperature was meant for bigger mushrooms, but that's okay, because these are still going to taste good. Oh my God. Let's up a little bit. Carrots look good. And just throw the shrimp in. Shrimp won't take long. So, here we are. I've already stirred them in. They've been sitting here for a couple minutes. See the shrimp? I beat my timer. Okay. Oh, I need to wash this hand. here we go. Yeah, pot holder further down. Okay, we're going to mix this all in. And we're going to cook till the shrimp's done. The shrimp won't take long. Now, these are, I think, probably smaller than the ones that you're going to get from Roberto's. But this is a pound. Yeah, this is a pound of shrimp. So just do a pound of bigger shrimp. And they'll take a little bit longer. I'm going to put this in for 8 minutes. See what happens. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to lower the temperature. We're going to go, I love this timer. We're going to go 8 minutes. Oops, 8. Hello. Well, maybe I don't always love this timer. 8 minutes, but I'm going to lower the temperature. Well, at least to 400. Here we go. 8. Okay. We'll see what happens. And also, I'm getting the water going for the pasta. I'm also heating up this lovely cream sauce from Dino's Pasta. Honest cream sauce. It's really good. I've had it before. I love it. And the water going for the pasta, the fusilli from Dino's Pasta. Fresh fusilli. This is, you buy it either refrigerated or frozen. And yeah, so the pasta's going and we'll see what happens once the shrimp are done. I think it's going to be pretty good. At the end, what's going to happen is cook the pasta, we'll plate the pasta, put the shrimp and mushroom and carrot mixture over it, a little bit of sauce, and then top with the microgreens. And I think it's going to be really, really, really yummy. Okay, the lovely fusilli is done, and the sauce is done. Let me turn everything off. I have already turned off the oven. You probably can't see me here. Here we go. Oops. Oh, I'm spilling microgreens everywhere. Well, you know, my counter's clean. Thank goodness. Because I did pre-wash these. They do say to wash them before you use them. Okay, here we go. Shrimp looks done. We're going to do a little plating to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to try it. And then, hopefully it will taste lovely a little bit later when my husband and I decide to eat. Okay, so we have shrimp, carrots, oyster mushrooms, and oh, it's a very small spoon. Well, we'll use a small spoon. No, we'll use this. This will work. Oh, this Dino's cream sauce on top of it. That's some fun flavor. And then some microgreens. So we have orange with a carrot and some greens, and now to taste it. How can it not be good? It's shrimp and vegetables and cream sauce and fusilli and mushrooms. Okay, this is good. Oh, it's really good. I have to try a piece of mushroom. Oh. So, you can just roast the mushrooms, dry, roast them, a little olive oil, salt and pepper. All right. Okay, I'm filming. You can come in, just be quiet. Here's the dog. So you can just roast the mushrooms and just make them really crispy and just be like chips, or do whatever you want, but yum. This is fun. Okay, go buy a bunch of stuff at the farmer's market this Saturday and cook and have fun. And send me your ideas. Why not?